Getting help after a fall improves the chance of survival by 80%. More than half of non-injured fallers cannot get up without assistance. Epic aims to provide a solution to this problem by enabling help to reach affected people as soon as possible. We have developed a fall detection algorithm over the course of several months, which utilizes an accelerometer and, if available, a gyroscope present in Windows phones and almost all new smartphones being produced worldwide. So we are confident that our system can be implemented easily and cost effectively all over the world to help people prone to falls.
Real-time EEG data is hard to come by. That's why we have integrated NeurSky Mindwave Mobile and EEG device to our app. The device is connected via Bluetooth to Windows Phone, which constantly records brain signals. This data will help researchers and doctors in better understanding of disorders.
At Epic, we have taken care of the privacy of the user. You just can't spam anyone with fall alerts. First, you create an Epic account on our website. From here, you add all the emails to whom you want the fall alert to be sent. After signing up an Epic account, you log in from within the application with the provided username and password. This information is used to send the fall alert to the specified emails. Now the EEG is a separate module from Fall and works with your Microsoft account rather than your Epic account. After generating a test file or recorded EEG data file, you log into your SkyDrive account where it first asks for a privacy permission. Then, from the application, you can upload your files to your SkyDrive account. The user can then share these files as he wants, while we also plan to collect these files according to our non-disclosure agreement.
We have added shortcuts to the phone setting pages. A detailed breakdown of our privacy policy, application help, our Facebook and Twitter pages, prescription reminders so that users can set alarms for when they have to take regular medicines, and of course our fall detection.
For getting into the market, we will collaborate with academic, research and health organizations and will try to generate most of our revenue from these organizations while keeping the cost at the user end to the minimum. For that purpose, we have two application packages for our users, the Epic Lite and the Epic Pro. Now we will be collecting the research data from the patients according to our non-disclosure agreement. If an organization wants to access our data, they have to buy our services. For that purpose, we are providing different packages. The Epic Standard package. In the Epic Standard package, the company does not need to advertise our services to its patients and they have access to all our data. But according to Epic Gold package, the the company can access the same data at a much cheaper price if they are willing to advertise our services to its patients. So for academic purposes, we are providing our data at a much cheaper price to the students.
Epic provides a number of distinct advantages over its competitors. For starters, conventional fault detection kits use customized hardware that can be very expensive. They also have monthly fees, whereas we provide our fault detection services for free. We could not find any fault detection apps for Windows Phone, and currently existing apps for Android and iOS are limited to fault detection only. And Epic provides a lot of added services as well, and will be a complete telehealth experience in the near future. The NeurSky Mindwave we integrated with Epic is also a unique concept which sets us apart from the competition.
Epic aims to provide even more services in the future. The application would be ported to other platforms like iOS, Android to reach maximum users. We would also incorporate further sensors into our application, like heartbeat sensors, body temperature sensors, and ECG sensors. Our aim is also to reach organization and academia worldwide.
The project has also won grant from ICT R&D Fund of Government of Pakistan. The developed solution is not only efficient, but it also provides real-time EEG data. In future, we plan to extend this project to have multi-electrode recordings. Recorded data will be shared with research community for analysis.